Hi everyone, it's Cars Guide Do It Yourself. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a problem with rough engine running and misfire on one cylinder in 1.9 TDI Volkswagen Audi engine. Very cheap and very easy way, and you can do it with simple hand tools, really, so stay with us. Okay, in this particular case, when we start the cold engine, it's running rough. From my experience, I can say that it looks like misfire on one of the cylinders, and this problem appears when engine is cold. When it's getting warmer and you start the engine again, problem disappears. Seems like expensive repair. Is it? Really? Let's plug OBD scanner to see the faults. Turn ignition on and read fault codes. And we have two codes. P1666, which is injector unit cylinder 1, has got electrical malfunction, and second code is P0301, which is cylinder 1 misfire detected. We can clear the codes. Have a look on measure blocks. Check channel 13. We can see injection quantity deviation. As you can see, first cylinder is trying to add some fuel, but it's out of scale. It's not good. Does that mean that injector in this car is faulty and we have to replace him? Well, not really. Before you spend a ton of money on new injector, try to test the easiest things. In this engine, injectors are covered by rocker cover. Same thing with injector wiring loom with plugs, and because of that, wires are walking in engine oil. They are exposed to unfavorable conditions, so we will check injector plug. Take off top cover, then use compressed air to blow out all loose dirt and dust. We have to do more room. Remove turbo pressure hose. To do that, remove two clips. You don't have to remove them all the way, just rise them up. Don't forget to unclip fuel lines. Secure two ends by glove. Now disconnect the plug from engine throttle body, detach the plastic clip, disconnect breather hose and turn him enough to make sure it won't disturb. Now we have to remove timing belt cover. It's held by two metal clips, one at front and one at the back. Now remove metal bracket next to EGR valve. To do that, unscrew Allen key bolt over here, and it's out. Last thing is to unscrew all the M6 bolts around the rocker cover. It's pretty good access to all of them except one bolt between throttle body and EGR valve. To unscrew that one, use universal joint. And that's it. Raise cover slowly, make sure you detach everything. The oil will flow outside along the edge of cylinder head, so I will wipe it quickly. Now we can see the injectors and plugs. This is first injector, and as you can see, wires are in oil, and same thing with plug. Here also are pretty loose. What we want to do, we want to improve electrical contact between injector plug and injector wire harness. We can simply replace complete harness, but if it's turned out that it's not a problem, it will be waste of money. We will try to tie the end of wire and clean it to correct the contact. Unplug the wire and open the plug. Do it very gently. At an angle, slide out the pins. Secure open space with a towel to prevent getting liquid into the engine oil, and spray it using contact spray on pins. Now using small pliers, clench pin inwards, but not too hard, be gentle. Also, you can test the circuit by opening that plug. You have to twist it. You can check if there is connection between two ends. I already did that and it was okay. Now insert plastic plug. Time to wash pins in injector. To do that, again cover space around by towel and spray it down. Then scratch off rest of the dirt from pins. Connect the plug. Beautiful! Look how tight it fits. The same cleaning procedure with rest of the plugs. Prepare surface for new gasket. I will use dishwashing sponge rough side. Cover open space by towel and clean it. Then wipe it with some brake cleaner. And that looks beautiful. We can clean rocker cover. After that, take off all gasket and bolts, wipe it down and install brand new gasket. Then press in all bolts. With fresh engine oil, moisten edge of the gasket, which will be touching cylinder head, but not too much. Time to install it on place. Tighten the bolts by hand with crisscross pattern, then using torque wrench, tighten with 10 Nm torque. Don't forget to put metal brackets on place before you tighten all bolts. Install breather hose, remove glove and turn hose on place. Tighten metal bracket to EGR valve, attach wire and plug into throttle body, then mount top timing cover. Install turbo pressure hose, moisten O-rings, you will hear a click. That means it's on place. All hoses and wires on place. Time for test. And it's running beautiful, nice and smooth. With this job we solved two problems. One was misfire on one cylinder plus small oil leak from rocker cover, and it was just for less than 15 pounds, really. Last thing is to clear all codes and check injection quantity deviation. Wow, it looks way better. Job done. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.